Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the latest and greatest meme coin trading bot called ALPH AI. In this video, we'll see how to actually find the new alpha, how to actually trade all the new meme coins on all the blockchains like Solana, Binance, Base, and all the others. And of course, the best part is this bot is free. So basically, you can find all the alpha for free and also trade with ultimate speed. But before that, of course, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Of course, meme coins are extremely risky and volatile, so never invest more than you can lose. So as I mentioned, today we are talking about a meme coin trading bot. And actually, I would call this the next generation bot because it's not only for the meme coins. Actually, they have some other features that are really unique and I think will save you in the future. So the bot is called ALPH AI. If you want to use the bot, as usual, you can find all the links in the description. If you use my link, you're helping my channel and also you're getting the best conditions and cheapest transaction fees. So once you sign up, first of all, we'll have these three columns. If you watched any videos about any bots, it's really similar. The only thing is ALPH AI added extra features, extra utilities, and additional ways how to find the next big meme coin project early without effort because they actually show you the token. So in the first column, we have new creations. These will be tokens that are newly launched from zero on different platforms. You can actually see platforms we have like Pump, Moonit, Bonk, Bags. Also, you can select what kind of chain do you want to trade. We have BSC, Solana, Base, Xlayer, Ethereum, and Plasma. Next up, we have almost graduated. These are tokens close to reaching the bonding curve for graduation. Each platform has a different word. And lastly, we have graduated. These are bigger tokens that actually managed to reach the bonding curve, which is actually pretty hard right now because the volumes are lower, liquidity is lower. And for that reason, I started to use less filters because if you use many filters to filter out the tokens, you will be left with nothing because there is not that many tokens, not that many runners. That's why now I like to see the full picture. Basically, I want to see everything what's launching in the market because this gives me an overview of the full market and I can see what could be the next trend, the next hype, because now we don't have these big hypes. We have 1-2 days max. So you have to be quick and you have to spot it right there on the spot. But of course, if you want to filter, you can filter out each of these categories. For example, you can click right here and you can filter out what you want to see in the new creations. For example, you want to see the tokens from 1,000 market cap. Apply. And now we only see tokens above $1,000 market cap. Also, we have all the information about each of the tokens. So if you hover right here, how many holders, you can see holding percentage, you can see how many snipers. Also, we have lots of safety. For example, if you go to graduated, or again, we can filter out by progress, time, market cap, KOL calls, holder amount, what kind of percentage of supply top 10 holders are holding, how much snipers are holding, how many of these profitable insider or professional traders are holding the token. This could be a really good indicator if the token could be a runner. Tokens and volume. So again, for this one, we can go, for example, I don't know, let's go $50,000 market cap, socials. Yeah, let's do all the socials. And now we have less tokens. For example, you can see now we have lots of red, which means these tokens have lots of red flags. So again, we can click right here and let's filter that top 10 holders are holding from 0 to 30%. Apply. And now you can see we have more green. For example, this token has 90K market cap, has 470 holders. We have the developer ratio. We have snipers. Snipers are not holding. So if you click on this token, you will get the full chart, basically like with any other platform. Actually, it looks pretty good. Again, I don't recommend buying any tokens, but this chart is not looking that bad. Next up, you can see how much Cabal is holding. You can see the smart wallets, actually lots of smart wallets, developers, snipers, bundlers. So again, you get all the information you need before deciding about the meme coin. And actually, you can see this smart wallet thing could be really beneficial because you can see what people who are insiders, people who have like connections, influencers, for example, big token developers, are they buying or selling your token? You can see this token is pretty active with smart wallets, which is a really good signal. Even the chart actually looks pretty decent. Again, even in this market, you can find pretty good tokens. And I used really simple filters to actually filter out the bad tokens and find something good. But again, right now, I like to see the full page to actually see what could be trending. Also, we have K-line settings, so you can actually see the tokens next to the chart. You can also have sniping features. But next up, let's go to trending. So right here, you can actually see the full overview of the meme coin market. So you can see right now it's neutral, which I think is maybe fair, but I would say it's a bit lower because it's not that hot right now. You can see the total trades, which are actually up. You can see how many traders we have also up. So actually not that bad. I was thinking it's worse. We have the total volume. We have the launchpad numbers. I can see what is the most popular launchpad at that time and actually check out the tokens on that launchpad. Again, a really great feature to actually see where is the heat, where is the money, where is the liquidity, and migration ratio, which is 31%, which means 31% of tokens migrate. And next up, you can see the newest and the trending tokens, 24-hour Cabal top tokens. But if we're talking about Cabal and insiders, we have this really cool feature, which is called signals. And this is a big reason why I'm doing this video, because ALPH AI costs nothing. Basically, you can sign up for free, connect your wallet, start trading. But also for free, you are getting the signals. And actually, even in today's market, which is not great, guys, they managed to find pretty good tokens. So on top, you can see all the tokens they found in the past 24 hours, I think. Yesterday, around 24 hours. So you can see they had 45x, 194x in today's market. Pretty crazy. If you click today's gems, you can see today they had gold gems, one token 200x, silver gems, and they have some bronze gems around 2x. I think silver gems are realistic. Golden gems, you have to be, I think, more locked in and actually take it serious and look at the screen at least. So right here, you can see all the tokens. You can see all the information about who is buying and how they triggered this signals, feature. So you can see, for example, this smart money activity, smart money holds, they all sold. But if you scroll down, you can see some of the tokens. The smart wallet sold. People are selling pretty quick. But for example, with the second one, it reached 46x max. 4 smart wallets are still holding and 14 sold. But if you want to catch these insane runners, you have to be on this page checking out what's new, and of course be early, because with meme coins you have to be early because otherwise you're buying the top. So again, this is really cool feature, and what's best, it's free. It's really free. You can actually check out the tokens, do the research. For example, if you click on this token, let's see how this token actually did this. Okay, so you can see it peaked. You can see how many people, how many smart wallets participated. Let's go maybe 1 minute. It's not that old. Okay, you can see, there's lots of action. You can see all the smart wallet buys and sells. So again, you get the full picture of the token, who's buying. And also, if we're talking about smart wallets, you can actually find all the smart wallets. You can actually copy trade or actually see what they're doing on this smart wallet button. So you can see right here, we have all the smart wallets. You can filter by PNLs, last day, like 7 days. For example, this wallet in the last 300 days managed to do 3,400x. Not bad, I would say. And last time active 8 minutes ago, also not bad. The only thing is, it's not performing well in the past weeks. But if you want to go, for example, for the past 7 days, for example, this wallet managed to make 68,000 in the past 1 day, 3.9 thousand. In the past 300 days, actually down. You can also find the Pump Smart Money, KRLs, Early Sniper. So you can actually check out all of these wallets. You can click on them. You can see what they're buying, what they're selling, their past statistics. Again, a really great way to find these insiders right here on this platform. And again, it's free. Also, we have X stocks, which is, I don't know how interesting, but you can actually buy stocks and tokenize stocks on the platform. So again, it's not only meme coins. They are actually branching out and making this a bigger bot with, like, for example, you can buy Tesla, what else? Nvidia, Circle. You can buy everything with tokenized. You also have rewards. So actually, if you invite other people with your link, for example, if you use my link, you're helping the channel and also getting a big discount. But if you also create your own link, you can actually share your link and get rewards for people who sign up using your link. Basically, a referral program. So guys, this is a quick overview of the bot. It has way more features. It's really hard to cover because it would be like 3-hour video, because there's so many different things you can actually customize. You can customize quick buy. So you can actually input how much do you want to put on the quick buy right here. Now it's 0.1. Next up, you can create different default settings for your buys and sells. For example, you can give P1, which could be like fast buy. P2 could be slower buy, and P3, for example, when the market is not moving, can make it like really, really slow and cheap. So again, you can customize it really well. They have all tutorials right here, the button on the bottom. So right here, you can find all the info about each of the features. And also, so on the bottom, they have this 800 USDC launch. You can actually participate. Again, you can find the link in description and also right here on the bottom. So again, in my opinion, really cool bot. The next generation, they have new features, easy to find insiders, easy to find insider tokens, and act on it. So guys, what do you think about the bot? And of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.